Hello everyone, here in this experiment we are going to measure any flatness error of any test specimen, okay, using this optical. So here we are using slip gauges. We are going to measure the flatness error of any of the slip gauges. So the principle behind this experiment is interferometry or interference. As you know, if there are two light rays, if the phase difference between two light rays are the multiple of lambda by 2, then we will get a dark fringe. If the phase difference between two light rays are in the any multiple of lambda, then we are going to get a bright fringe. So like that a pattern will be occurred. Here there is a monochromatic light source here, and while we are placing any object underneath this and kept this optical flat above it, there are 4 pictures you can see here. Suppose the object is flat as well as the contact is so good, then there will be no interference. Suppose the object is flat but the contact might be not that perfect, then we will get straight and flat interference. Suppose the specimen is having some flatness error, then we will be getting curved interference. Okay, so while doing the experiment, what we need to do is that we have to count how many number of fringes that is appearing in this optical flat, and there is an equation is there, lambda by 2 into the number of fringes. It will give the flatness error. So here we are taking one slip gauge and we have to properly clean the slip gauge as well as the optical flat using wax and tissue paper. Okay, so we cleaned both the optical flat as well as the slip gauges, and we are placing the slip gauge here and the optical flat above it. Now we have to observe for fringes above this optical flat. So what we have to do is that we have to count how many number of fringes is appearing in this optical flat, and we have to put it in the equation to get the flatness error. So take down the readings of the number of counts of fringes in this optical flat and note down it in your table and find the flatness error. So after doing the experiment, we have to again clean both the optical flat as well as the slip gauges and place it properly in the appropriate place.